Friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Tea Talk. सफलता के आसमान पर चमकने वाले सितारों की जानदार शानदार कहानी सुनिए उन्हीं की जुबानी। देखते रहिए टी टॉक।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अतुल पारेख आप सभी का एक बार फिर हमारे YouTube चैनल टी टॉक पर हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। यहां मैं लेके आता हूं आपके लिए हर हफ्ते बहुत अलग अलग तरह के सेलिब्रिटीज जिनसे आपको मिलने का, रूबरू होने का मौका मिलता है। इसी क्रम में आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात करवाने वाला हूं एक बेहतरीन अदाकारा जो कि एंकर, मॉडल होने के साथ साथ एक बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट हैं और उनका नाम है अदा खान। जी हाँ, ये वही अदा खान है जिन्होंने कई टीवी शोज में और फिल्म्स में काम किया है, जैसे कि मधुशाला या डांसिंग क्वीन। तो आइए अब हम अपनी मुलाकात का सिलसिला स्टार्ट करते हैं अदा खान से। अदा जी, मोस्ट वेलकम।
Hi there, I'm Ada Khan, an actor, anchor, performer and a healing therapist. Let me begin by congratulating Atul for coming up with such a fabulous show. In times like this, inspiration is imperative. And I really think that Atul has come up with a great concept and kudos to him for doing such a great job at times like this.
Ada ji, आपने अपनी करियर की स्टार्टिंग कैसे की? जरा इसके बारे में हम सबको बताएं।
I have been in this industry for a while now and it is such a beautiful place to be in. When you meet people like Atul, you realize what a fantastic place it is to be in here. I have been dabbling between three careers, which is acting, anchoring and dancing. Acting wise, I have been on channels like Viacom, which is Colors, Sony, Sub, Star, Z, all these channels with my leads and negative leads in different daily soaps and reality shows. In my anchoring, I have been on stage for almost 15 years and done more than 2,500 shows in India and abroad. Worked for the stalwarts like Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Mehndi Hasan Sahab, Lata Mangeshkar ji, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid and so many more, and it has been such a great experience. Now that is the world of my adventure. You see, when you do television acting, it's like being caught in a box. You're in your green room and then you're back to the set and you're back in your green room. While the stage world of mine, where I'm an anchor, is an adventurous world, right? There is always an adrenaline rush. You're excited, you're nervous, you have to perform live and you meet new people, you keep on traveling, so it's very exciting that way. And then comes my world of dancing, which is my heart and soul. The day I don't dance, I know that I don't breathe. So I am a trained dancer in Bharatanatyam, in Latin American dancing, jazz, hip hop and obviously Bollywood. I don't think, Bollywood is like a religion for us, right? So that is what it is about, dancing.
Ada ji, इन दिनों तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, बट फिर भी अब जो नियर फ्यूचर है उसमें आपके कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं जिसके बारे में आप काम करने वाली हैं, जरा इसके बारे में हम सबको कुछ बताएं।
So lockdown has been very interesting for me. I began with 1.5 months of silence, which took everyone by surprise, and they could not believe that I could be silent. But yes, I was, and then I came out very refreshing and energized out of it. Then I launched 2 new companies. One is related to healing therapies, which is a beautiful journey that I've had. Never brought it to my commercial world. For 23 years, I've been traveling healing therapies not just in India but abroad also, and now eventually I bring it to the corporate world, online and offline, both. And the second company that I started with was, it's actually my mother's dream, and she always wanted her little kitchenette restaurant. As you know, all our mothers, they dedicate their lives to their children, to their families, and they never ever have time for their own dreams. So I am so blessed that I got this time, this opportunity to launch that for her. And it is doing very well received also. So I'm very thankful to everyone for that. So yes, that is what happened in lockdown as far as new things are concerned. Obviously, loads of webinars and shows, and I've been conducting dance fitness regimes for people. So overall, I can say that I have been again working for 10 to 12 hours a day with no time to breathe, but it is super exciting. So I think in a way it is a blessing in disguise.
Ada ji, आपने अभी तक अलग अलग किस्म के रोल किए हैं और आपको सभी में मजा आया होगा, बट फिर भी मोस्ट एंजॉयबल रोल has been done by you so far. So please tell us about that.
Where I was a backup dancer, this was the 4th show of my life. I met Javed Jafri, who was hosting and dancing for that show. We were his backup dancers. And at that time, he saw that I was just, peeping and watching him from the wing. And he came to me and he said, "आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? आप वापस होटल क्यों नहीं गए?" And I said, "मुझे आपकी जैसे बोलना है, मुझे सीखना है." So he said, "तो बोल लो." मैंने बोला, "मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है." So he said, "Great, do 2 things and you'll be fine with your English." So he asked me to read English newspaper loudly every single day. And secondly, he asked me to watch BBC News every day. I did that continuously every single day for the next 365 days, morning and night. After 1.5 years approximately, I met Javed Jafri again, where I was hosting and anchoring a show on Sahara TV for him. Same thing happened for the live shows, right? I was just sitting at a friend's place and she got a call from one of the playback singers saying that uski anchor chali gayi and he needs an anchor. So she said, "Anchoring karoge?" Bola, "Kar lenge." So that is one thing that you need. Absolutely fearless. That is what you need to be. Fearless. Just don't get scared and just jump in. Trust me, things work out for you.
अभी पूरे विश्व में ये कोरोना महामारी चल रही है, तो इसको बचने के लिए और इसके बचाव के लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी पूरा सोशली, पूरे सामाजिक, पूरी सारी जनता को विश्व में, भारत में?
The most important thing is that we love and care for each other. Right now, please be very careful, be very, very sensitive to people. सभी लोग अपनी 4 दीवारों में बंद हैं और सभी कैबिन फीवर से गुजरे हैं, जो कि एक आर्मी का टर्म है। और इस दौरान बहुत आसान है अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस, अपनी तकलीफों को दूसरों पर डालना, getting rude with them. So be very careful, be gentle to people around you, be loving and caring to them. Second thing that I want to talk about is a message that I want to leave you with. हमारा देश आज एक बहुत ही बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. It's really a tough time for us. And today the media is super powerful. आप एक पोस्ट डालते हैं और वो लाखों लोगों तक मिनटों में पहुंचती है. उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत बड़ा होता है. इसलिए ऐसे किसी भी वीडियो को पोस्ट करने से पहले, ऐसे किसी भी कमेंट को पोस्ट करने से पहले, जो कि किसी के रिलीजियस या पर्सनल सेंटिमेंट्स को हर्ट कर सकता है, 10 बार सोचिए. आजकल ऐसे कई वीडियोस हैं जो पोस्ट किए जाते हैं जिसमें आपको लगेगा कि वो बहुत ही पेट्रियोटिक है, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो पेट्रियोटिक नहीं होते हैं. वो लोगों के सेंटिमेंट्स को भड़काने के लिए होते हैं. एंड इट इज गोइंग टू फुलफिल ओनली द वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर डूइंग इट. आपको और मुझे इसमें से कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. हाँ, अगर हमें कुछ मिलेगा तो वो है दंगे, राइट्स. वी कांट अफोर्ड वन. वी आर रियली गोइंग थ्रू अ टफ टाइम. अगर इस वक्त राइट्स हो गए तो हम उसका सामना नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम टूट जाएंगे. So you and me as citizens of this country, it's a responsibility to really pay attention to this. Use our education, put it in right use, put it in right place, and filter the media on our end. Let's all not be fanatic. Let's be patriotic. Jai Hind.